In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up this Midland Weather Alert Radio system. So I'm going to show you things like how to set up the time, how to set up an alarm, how to set up the language that you prefer. I'm going to show you how to program it for your area or an area that you want to monitor. You might want to monitor one county, or maybe you want to monitor more than one county. I'll show you how to do that. And I'm also going to show you how to set up the alert type. There are three options available. One is an actual voice. I'll show you how to set that up. Or if you want to hear just an alert tone, I'll show you how to set that. And if you want to see it simply on the display, I'll show you how to do that. So let's just power it up, and after a brief moment, we'll get started. This is how to set up the time. Press the menu button, press select, and you'll see on the display it says 12 a.m. So you can either press the up or down button to get to your desired time. Now we happen to be setting this time in the morning, so I'll go up, and let's say it happens to be 7:17. So you'll notice it's AM. If you want to go to PM, you could just go over to your hour and then go down to get to the PMs quicker. So in this case, it would be 9:16 PM. So then press select to save it and press menu to get out of the settings. And that's how you set the time. So in this section of the video, I'm going to show you how to set an alarm. This is just like an alarm clock. What you want to do is press the menu button, and now you want to navigate to the function for setting the alarm. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, and you'll see set alarm shows up on the screen, so I want to select that. And currently it says off on the display. I want to turn it on, so I'll just press the up arrow button and I press on. And I don't know if you noticed, but now the alarm clock indicator is on the display. You want to press the select button, and that will automatically take you to the time screen. And now the time that we're setting is the time you want the alarm to actually go off. And let's say you want the alarm to go off at 4 something in the morning. So it's already at the AM setting. I'm just going to go down to the 4, and now I want to change the minutes. So I scroll over with the right arrow, and let's say we need it to go off at 4:15. So we move that down to 1, and it's already on 4:15. So press select and then menu to get out of it and save. Now a couple things, you'll notice there's a snooze button on here. If you use the snooze button, it's going to advance the time 8 minutes. It'll snooze for 8 minutes. If you want to silence it for the entire day when the alarm goes off, press the menu button. That's how you set the alarm. So in this part of the video, I'm going to show you how to set up an area that you want to monitor. I'm going to show you how to set up a single area. In the next section of the video, I'll show you how to set up multiple areas, multiple counties. But for a single area, press the menu button, and now scroll to setting a location, press select. And in this demonstration, the word multiple shows up on the screen, and I want to go to single. Right there, I scrolled up, it went to single, I press select, and now I'm going to press select again. And this is going to permit me to toggle between the United States and Canada. In this case, I'm going to select the United States. And now I can toggle to a state. So let's go down to let's choose Indiana. And now I can choose a county in Indiana, and I'm just going to pick an arbitrary one. Boone County, Indiana, select. And then press menu to save and exit out of this location. Now that is how you set up to monitor a single location on this weather alert radio. Now in some cases you might want to program additional locations to monitor. The Midland Weather Alert Radio allows you to monitor a total of 25 locations. So to set it up for multiple locations, press Menu, and we're going to scroll to Set Location, select, and it's already on multiple. If it was on single, you would want to press the up or down arrow button to multiple, press Select. And in this particular case, I mentioned it's up to 25 locations you can monitor. We have 3 in here already. We're going to program in number 4, so press Select. And again, we can toggle between the USA and Canada. And again, in this demonstration, USA, select. And then we go through and find our state. We'll just pick a state, Arizona, select. And then a county pops up, or you can scroll through and we'll pick that county, select. And it automatically goes to the next section if you want to add another section. But in this case, we don't want to, so we are going to press the menu button. And it saves, and now we're out of programming. That's how you program an additional location. In this section, I'm going to show you how to set the language. The Midland Weather Alert radio system will function in 3 languages. One is English, Spanish, and French. So the first thing we want to do is press the menu button, and then scroll up until we can get language. Set language, we're going to select, and you can toggle through the various languages using the up or down arrow key. And in this case, we're going to select English. Select, and now press Menu to save and exit the menu settings. And that's how you set the language. I mentioned earlier there are 3. One is a display on the screen, the other is an actual voice, and the third type is a tone. Now, when it displays on the display, only the text is going to scroll on the display. There will be no audible alarm. If you select voice as your alert type, then the alert tone will sound for 8 seconds, and it'll be followed by a voice weather broadcast for 3 minutes. And if you select the tone as your alert type, then the tone alert type is going to sound for 3 minutes until you press any button on the keypad. So let's go through the steps of programming the alert type. Press Menu and scroll. Alert type, press Select. And here we can simply toggle between voice, tone, and display. In this particular case, I'm selecting voice, so I press the select button and then menu to exit and save. So those are the basics of programming the Midland Weather Alert Radio system. We appreciate you watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel to stay in contact with us about other electronics. Post this to Facebook, tweet out a tweeted link, send it to friends and family. We appreciate your time today. Have a great day.